I'm in a hurry. I've got to be somewhere in about a half an hour, and so I'm going to show you super quick on this amazing spicy mozzarella fresh December recipe. This recipe is super easy, and I'm using, I've mixed a couple of my favorite balsamic vinegars from two of my special favorite places. One is from the Olive Bar in downtown Campbell, and the other one is from the Olive Oil Pantry in Manteca. What we have here, we've got my small cherry tomatoes, or any kind of salad tomato that you like. Something that is going to fit on a skewer. We have our skewers. We have our Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Candied Jalapeños. And we've got our mozzarella balls. You can get these at your grocer in any section of where the cheeses are and all that good stuff. And of course we have some fresh basil. We're gonna go ahead and just put everything here on our skewers. You can make these longer, you can make these shorter, but we're gonna just cram everything on there. The only thing that you might wanna do is, I'm gonna take my, I just use my kitchen scissors for this, and I'm gonna just roll up my basil. You can use cilantro if you want to, but this is just going to give it some extra green, especially throughout this holiday season. You're going to end up finding that this is going to be a win-win. So what I usually do is I'm just going to go ahead and poke this right through here. I'm going to have this on the end because it's nice and hearty. I'm going to take one of my Sonya's Sweet and Spicy. I'm going to pierce it right through this way. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to pierce that right on in. It's going to just add to the greenness and make it super special there. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop this in. And I'm going to make a few of these. I'm going to make maybe about 12. Oops. And you can have it like this. And what we're going to do afterwards is we're going to go ahead and drizzle these all with balsamic. So what I'm going to take now is my balsamic vinegar, and I'm just, see, this is so thick that I mixed the two together. And I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to slowly just drizzle, just like this. And if it gets on the plate, that's completely fine. It's not a big deal. It adds, actually, when you get it on the plate like this, and it kind of goes everywhere, it's very artistic and very arty, and I like it like that. There you have, look at that. Beautiful, quick appetizer. Didn't take more than just a few minutes to put together. So have a great rest of the week, and we will catch you next week with another flavorful recipe here at Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. Take care, y'all. Bye.